Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we happen to have a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over your headlights and how to replace all the lights that are in this headlight assembly. Inside this headlight assembly we have right here, which would be a clearance or marker light, sometimes referred to as a parking light. That one is actually burnt out, so we're going to replace that. This one here is a blinker end clearance, so it's a double element bulb. It's inside of there to be replaced. This one right here is your low beam headlight to be replaced if you need to replace that. And this one right here is your high beam. So those are the four light elements that are inside your light headlight assembly on your Toyota Camry. And now we will go over how you replace each individual bulbs. And this is a light in here that is a double element, and so it's got two elements in it, and so if one's burnt out the other one still will work. And so part of it is your clearance light and the other part is the blinker. So part of it might work and the other part might not. But either way you just replace the whole bulb. Okay, so you got to reach in over here toward the fender and you'll feel the electrical connector, and then you can just pull it out and remove it. Then you can bring it out this way, and then this light bulb you just pull apart, pull it out, and this is the light bulb that you have. This is a 7334 natural amber, and you could put in a clear one if you wanted to, but you should replace it with an amber one. And the reason you got to replace this with an amber is because the light assembly itself is not amber on the outside. And so if you have a clear one in here and you turn your blinker on, people aren't going to really know, or you're either going to blind them or they're not going to really know that you're turning. They'll just think it's a fancy light bulb. So this, like I said, has two elements in here, and so take your light bulb and just press it back into place. Push it in, it locks in, and then you're gonna just have to feel and reach around in here and get it to go into the location and turn it to the clockwise of a quarter turn. Thanks for watching.